What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at the taillight on a Ford F250. We're going to take a look at how to remove the whole assembly and change the bulbs. This is a 2012 F250 here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So what we're going to need to do this to start off with is a 5/16 socket, a 5/16, and there's two bolts that we need to remove. I've already got them loosened up to save time, here and here. 1, 2, and again, those were 5/16. Once you get those loosened, we need to take the whole assembly is just going to pull back out. But there's some guides in there it can kind of get stuck on, so what I would recommend is to get yourself a trim tool. And normally you can use a screwdriver in place of a trim tool, but in something like this, I would really recommend just using a trim tool because we're going to be going right against the paint. And I'm also going to go ahead and put a rag here. What you're going to want to do is just get in between the tail light and the vehicle just to get it started a little bit. Again, just want to be careful so we're not digging into the paint at all. Take your time. Then once you get it started, just come out like that. So we have our assembly out. Now the top, the reverse, we'll start with the reverse light. We're just going to spin this counterclockwise or to our left about a quarter turn, and then that'll come out like that. Make sure there's gaskets on there. And then that bulb will pull straight out of there to change. Put it back in, do the same thing, put it in, tighten it up or to the right about a quarter turn to get our brake lamp and our running light out. Pull it out, same thing, that bulb will pull straight out. Put your new one back in. And then you'll tighten it to the right or counterclockwise. Now to put this back on, there's a few guides that we need to line up. You can see them here, 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 and here. If you want to get a shot from this side, it might be a little easier to see. And so that's really, when you're putting it back on, that's what you need to line up. And that's kind of what sticks. And you'll kind of hear it pop on there. So once you have that changed, whatever bulbs you need to and your assembly back on, we'll just put our two 5/16 screws back on. And that's it. I'll tighten those up after the video, but pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.